Hi guys, let's continue with our topic iterative statements or loops which are used in programming languages. So in the previous video we have seen how the for loop works. So in today's video we'll talk about how while loop and do while loop works. So we have the problem statement, same problem statement, that is we have to print the hello statement 10 times. So we'll implement that using while loop. So as we know that in order to implement or in order to use loop we have to mention the three things. We have to initialize, and then we have to, according to the problem statement, we have to mention the condition and then the increment or decrement operator. So let's start. So initializing a variable I of data type int, initializing it with 0, and then while statement. So simply we have to write while, and then parenthesis. Inside parenthesis, we have to mention the condition. So it is I less than 10, open close curly brace, and then the statement which we have to print, and then so now let's see the execution one. So as you can see we have print the hello statement 10 times using the while loop. So let's now understand how it actually get executed. So initially the value of I is 0, so 0 is less than 10, so the condition is true. So the hello statement it's get printed the console, and the values we have used a post increment operator, that is the now the value of I is 1. So again 1 is less than 10, again the condition is true, it will print the statement hello, and then the value of now is I of is 2, and then after 2 is less than 10 it will print the statement hello, and after that the values increment by 3. So this will go on, uh, the iteration will go on till this condition is true, and it will move out of the loop when the condition becomes false. So this is how the while loop works. So now if we want to use do while loop, so what we have to do is we have to simply mention this while expression here, and we have to end that, and then we have to write here do. So this is the syntax of do while loop. So yeah, suppose you have to print the hello statement 10 times using do while loop. So this is the syntax. So now let's see. So as you can see, with the help of do while loop, we have done the same thing. So here now let's see how the do while loop is executed. So we have I is a value of I is 0. So it will print the statement hello, and then the value will be increment by 1, and after that the condition will be checked, 1 is less than 10. So initially for the first time the do while loop prints the statement and then checks the condition initially. So this is the basic difference between the while and do while loop. That while loop, it's totally while loop runs according to the condition, but the do while statement, it prints the statement initially initially and then checks the condition at the starting. So this is the basic difference, and apart from that the syntax is same, the program execution is same, the execution is same, and for the first time, after the first for only for the first iteration it prints the statement and then checks the condition. If we talk about from second time onwards, it checks the condition. As we can see, the value of I is 1 is less than 10, so it will print hello and increment by 1, 2 is less than 10, and again the iteration goes on till the true, and then once the condition become false it will move out of the loop. So in this way the while loop and do while loop works. So I have a question for you all, is that we have seen how the three loops works, the iterative statement works, that is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So my question is that Which loop is the fastest loop? Comment your answer in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.